Hello, Priscilla here from BlackCompass Software. In this demonstration, I'll be showing you how to place visualizations on pages as web parts. There is a process of placing web parts on pages. Firstly, we will need to go ahead and create a graph, and then save or publish it. Once we have saved or published the graph, the URL will become unique. Then we will be able to place the BlackCompass Visualizer web part on any SharePoint page and paste the unique URL into it. So let's go ahead and create a graph. As you can see, I have a list here in SharePoint 2013. It is showing us the US state demographics. We're interested in the state name and the total population. I'm going to launch the visualizer and select histogram. To represent the x-axis, I'm going to leave this as the state name column, and the y-axis will be represented by the total population column. Here we have our simple histogram. We can either choose to save the graph or to publish it. I'm going to go ahead and publish the graph. I'm now going to copy the unique URL to place on our web part page. Here's a web part page I created earlier. I'm now going to edit this page, and underneath the Insert tab, add a web part. I'm going to select the BlackCompass Visualizer and paste the unique URL which we copied earlier. Now that the graph is loaded, I can now go ahead and edit the web part. You can either choose to change the height and or the width. I'm going to go ahead and expand this to 1200 pixels. We can either change the graph to a completely new graph that we might have saved or published, or we can edit this graph. I'm going to go ahead and edit this graph. The editing is done outside of the web part. I'm going to remove the legend here as well as the master band, and also change the color of the bars. Once I'm happy with the changes that I've made to the graph, we now need to republish this graph so that it can be reflected on our web part page. Here is our web part page. I'm going to go and select OK here. We can now see that our changes have been reflected on the page. I'm now going to go ahead and save this page. Being a web part page, you can add multiple graphs to your page. For more information about this product, please visit us at www.blackcompass.net.